That's such a good conspiracy. Oh yeah.
That's so fun. Oh my god, I love this.
Cecilio and Martin's fathers.
Where the hell are you?
She's like, I think she's like working.
She said she's on the way.
Okay.
I'm just trying to get out of town.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just trying to see a man about a girl.
What if they're all hands on the vintage tree?
No, they're not.
That's not.
I was just looking at this, which looks like it's like an 80s. I know, Sam.
Mixed with Chihuahua. I
It was pretty fun. It was a bunch of
What about just a
So his congratulations.
would hate it. What?
Yeah,
Well, that's why I've cleared out on those, and I've written 2 teams of babies, and you're captaining one.
That's what I know is record team and now we're right now. We're taking on Nathan Fielders. No, I've never thought of it. Would like to someday. It's grown on me. I didn't really like it at first, but I like it. There's a lot of. It's a very unique place. It's like a bit more mixing of different people's backgrounds. But I mean, that's sort of okay. Like every city is diverse, but like my primary is like if it was here, it'd be all people who went to Vassar and like Wesleyan and Brown and stuff. And that's great. I sort of miss having that aspect, but now I'm friends with like people like UPS or like interesting to be exposed to like different kinds of people. My friends with like I have some friends who are like late 30s, 40s too. There's some people from work alive and left like DC. Going on a lot of like big group bike rides. And then some people in like politics out in DC. Because I work for the city, so sometimes they're like asking me about what's going on. There's this big freeway project in Houston that everybody's fighting right now. A lot of people organized around it, and I was like sort of working related to it at the city, so I got sort of a line to toe of like engaging with the opposition of something while also feeding them information. People are really friendly. Like cheap. They were very I don't have a car. No, so we just neither. I had a car for a while, just one that we shared, so we totaled it last year, and we just haven't gotten a new one. I ride there's like a tram that I take. I live pretty close to it, I work downtown. It's like most everywhere else. We have a trailer for groceries. Yeah, like one of those kid trailers. Pro tip, if you ride with a kid trailer, everybody thinks there's an actual kid in there, so you drive way more carefully. Yeah. That's gotta be an issue. It's just hard to find a place to store it. There's some cool things I think, but were you living with Zach and no? Nice.
I heard you're good, really good and spicy. It's good. I like eating spicy stuff. The thing is, when I eat the spicy stuff, I take a load again because I have some.
Is she from waffle sauce too.
You use peanut sauce too.
Nice. Oh, that's cute.
At least your country has
Where you
a
living?
civil rights movement. I feel happy because look, I feel bad for
It's pretty close to it.
they should stop being. A lot of people should stop being homophobic.
It's a nice
Because your
neighborhood.
country, I heard your country has a lot of LGBT communities.
Where are you working these days?
Thailand, they have lesbian, gay.
Oh, sick. How's that going? Yeah.
It's
You worked at TikTok?
it's the highest rate. It is.
Texas just banned TikTok out of all states this year.
34th Street. Destination train is available to the 1, 2, and 3 trains. Connection of Port Authority Bus Terminal and Long Island Road.
Because of like Chinese surveillance, not because of like productivity, besides Facebook and YouTube and shit.
That seems like an accidental success.
Yeah.
This is 34th Street bound. Only train. The next stop will be Times Square, 42nd.
How long are you there?
Please move all the way into the middle of the car. Fans, stay clear of the closing doors, please.
To what? Mandarin?
Sorry, switching from
Please, fans, stay clear of the closing doors.
Yeah.
Cannot close the doors as long as you're out there. Stay clear of the doors.
Oh my god. You have to translate everyone. We'll be by the park. Yeah. Sorry, what'd you say? How many other really?
Nice costume, right? You know, my costume is cute for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Facial clothes.
Did you consider learning Mandarin?
I just tried traveling.
Should I? It's like, well, you're not going to learn Mandarin.
For 60s. You know, my kid was still big at this time.
I would have figured they had like a pretty robust American
Because
like
we're
setup
62.
out there.
I gotta go. I'm gonna take my picture for thank you. 3 seconds. Thank you. They were trying to track leave me alone.
Right.
And I told them, steroids.
Would also mean like other more
Have a great
not to work with them generally, you know, like
1965.
Holiday Express train. Express stop. Next stop will be 59th Street. Next stop, 59th Street. Thanks for the closing doors.
What's the vintage they import?
The ones up the front are
right back.
They say the ones in the front that are holding on are like
You gotta credit them all the way up, and eventually, like I had organized really like they kind of stack up eventually, and but it was like when I was serious, I paid $30.
These are really satisfying.
Yeah, that's true. Right? But like also you use it for stuff to do it.
Like tag back a little bit.
Yeah, someone was trying to figure out if you could stop paying.
working on some of the chains with like the
Actually, I think you're renting.
Oh, I would love to. I know. So I think we'll have those should be
The library stars Rob and Jungle Land. Whoever remember that is.
I'm really excited. Have you been?
There's a limited number.
Oh, really? So they brought, I just missed out on like the various whole college experience. So and like saying it was a dog. I'm like, no, it's just like everybody's like, but you did it. I brought it. I only do nuts, but I did really enjoy this. I've actually been to Canada. I bet you would like Montreal. Well, like, I like it. I feel like I'm like biased against
Sorry guys, my bad.
This is one of my close friends, like, and I stand his Canadian family. And I held it against her I just also, I think it's a mixture of that, and I hate it when Canadians are like, oh, we have healthcare, we have just, you know, and I'm like, okay, to choose some schools. Yeah. Like,
Sorry guys, sorry about that.
We provide legal advice in Korean.
like, don't act like you're all Korean and shit. Totally. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I feel like I know so little about it, but one thing that is really cool that they have is like more publicly funded art, or at least like TV shows. That is, which I love. Yeah. And that just doesn't really exist here. I mean, they did give a Shania Twain. What's that? They did give a Shania Twain. They give
We're not Spanish.
I've been putting on, it's been hard to like figure out like playlists that work and work for everybody. But there's this one that's like 90s religion playlist that has like a mix of like Shania Twain, like hits from the 90s that you would expect, and that everybody seems to like. Like there's some hip hop, there's some just like classic pop, rock. It's just a really good game. I found like on one of those really old like internet Facebook subcultures, I found this playlist that's something as simple
Yeah, these are like, this must have been when they introduced the internet.
and it is like the exact thing but I don't come up with like one
Department would like to remind you that backpacks and other large containers are subject to random search by police. Thanks for riding.
I like looking at that. Okay, should we try hopping back? I'll go wherever. You lead. Okay. Where do you want? Forward or back?
All the way to
Oh, this is really vintage New York. I love that. $38 gets you into all sorts of MoMA and whatever.
It's an $85 value.
That's an $85 value. Wow, I would love one of those. Okay, at 2008 prices or whatever. Okay, you say that. Cool.
Yeah.
Like, whatever you want to talk about. They have what? They have $35 artist memberships. So you get a free and then you get a
You, Blake,
so it truly is like 2007. I think I still get it.
Wait, walk to the left because I want to get a video of
All right.
Okay.
This is the 137th Street bound Holiday train making express stops. The express stops, the next stop will be 72nd Street.
Do you want to ride in the direction?
Please step all the way to the middle of the car. Stay clear of the closing doors, please. Advance, stay clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh yeah, you're definitely. Yeah, I saw that. It was so cool. I saw that. It was so cool. Why hands? That's not the
He said it's a blankie.
I will be in touch.
Is 137th Street bound Holiday Express train making an express stop. The next stop will be 122. Use all available doors. Stay clear of the closing doors.
Wait here. Oh, yeah, that
Clear of the closing doors, please.
that's actually they were scrapping to 32s. So we grabbed changed it out. It was designed for Westinghouse was already working better on things. I'm not looking at it. So that's why it makes it. Yeah, no, it's good though because it listen to her closely. I'll tell you why.
123rd Street. Transfer available to the one.
Yeah, we're gonna do through those. Here's 36 Street.
Attention passengers, once again, if you would like to ride with us again, this station will be your last chance for a free transfer to the downtown platform. To ride with us going back downtown. The next and last stop on this train will be 137th Street. Transfer here to the downtown platform for a free transfer.
Bro, it is hard as fuck out, bro. Come on, it's not even close.
Next and last stop, 137th Street. St. Clair to close the door.
Right there.
St. Clair.
They're all very similar.